Hello class, welcome. On the onset of online learning platform, I am your English teacher, Gaurav Rai. Welcome you on this platform. Today, we will study class 7th English Grammar, chapter number 7, articles first. And in this chapter, we will read about the subtopics a and the. As you know that letters are not vowels and consonant. There is a sound accent. Accent is what? Vowels and consonant. We can't just according to the letters that these letters are consonants and vowels. So come on here. As you know that we use a and with singular countable nouns, and we are going to use the is known as definite articles. In this chapter we will discuss here. So come on here. A is used before a consonant sound and before a vowel sound. As you know that there is 20 vowel sound and 24 consonant sounds. So come on here, how to use a and the, you can know in this chapter. Before we will only discuss here a and. A will be used with consonant sounds and will be used with vowel sound. So come on here. A bag, a book, a pen. Understand? Here you are getting all these first letters are what? Consonant. We are coming here where we will use and. We have to know, we must know. There is a, according to us, we know that these are 5 letters A, E, I, O, U are vowels. But we have to know how to use. Suppose that in Hindi we say A, E, A, I, choti, O and U is shota. Have you known? Suppose that I am giving you the examples. I am writing here a university, but most of them will tell that U is vowel sound. U is vowel, but it is not true. We have to know that sounds are vowels and consonant. So here you are getting the pronunciation of U is what? Year. You are getting here university. So it means that we are only following sounds. Understand? Second example. You are getting here an MLA. Here you are getting M. And according to you, whatever I have written here, A is what? A is what? Vowel sound. So here you will use MLA. Let us look at more examples. And honest. Here you are getting H, but pronunciation is honest. In the same way, an MLA, an honest, an hour, an apple, you can use. Understand? A European, you can use also. Because E is given here, but the sound is U, and you are not getting here U in in vowel sound, so it will be a European, a union. I hope that you have understood it properly. After that, we are coming. Suppose that in a sentence, the noun has come first time. Suppose that any noun has come first time, any word has come first time, and if another time it will come, then it will be used the. Suppose that Suresh found a letter. Letter word is used here first time, so here is used a. And when I will repeat the letter word second time in a sentence, then I will write the letter was addressed. The letter was addressed to Mr. Ashok. So I hope that you are understanding. If a word will come in a sentence first time, it will be used a, and if another time it will be repeated, then the will be used. The is known as definite article. Understand? In a sense that we will use the when the sense will be clear. When the sense will be clear, in the sense that we can use the. Understand? How can use? And when the sense is not clear, we can use a and. Suppose that you can take the examples. I met him at the station. In the first example, we use the. The station means it is clear that we know about the station. Station is clear. Understand? And when it will be not clear, we will use a. I met him at a station. A station means that we don't know that which station we met. Understand? One example I will also take for you. Suppose that Gopal has cleaned the car. Gopal has cleaned the car means we know that it is the car of Gopal. It belongs to Gopal. And they went in a car. So here you don't know whose car is. So in the sense, when the sense is not clear, you can use a and when the sense will be clear, you can use the. Understand? So I hope that you are enjoying your chapter and understanding it properly. Suppose that you are talking about your house. So you know that the floor, the hall, the kitchen, all these are clear. So you can use the, because you are talking about the particular home, particular house, the door, the ceiling, the floor, the light, the station, the airport, the hospital, etc. Understand? You can also use the headmaster. The headmaster, the principal, because principal is supreme, the headmaster is supreme, one not more. Understand? The chief minister, we can use the before, then the prime minister. Understand? And we can also use the with those things which are singular, which are one in the universe. Suppose that you are writing here the sun, the moon, the sky, understand, the Saturn, because all these are universal, all these are alone, the world, the earth, because there is one earth, not more, so you can use the, understand. The things which are unique, we can say that, in a sense that we can say that the only ones of their kind, not other. After that we are going to use the before superlative. You know the degrees, positive, comparative and superlative. So in the superlative degree you can use the before it, the tallest, the longest, the tallest, the smallest. etc. You can use it. Understand? After that, we are going to use a and an. Understand? How can you use a and an? In a sense of one. In a sense of one. Suppose that you are writing here a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. You are talking here. A minute means 1 minute. Or similar. For a one, you can use a. Give me give me 100 rupee note. Understand? So in a sense of one, you can use a and n. And him, when you are talking each and every, for each and every, suppose that you are talking for each and every, in a sense, you can use a and n. Suppose that the price of cloth is rupees. You are talking here. Cloth is rupees 70 a meter. You are talking about here. We are using each and every, in a sense. We are using here to say that which type of person is, what kind of person is. You can also use a and for saying, telling about the person's profession. Suppose that you are writing here person's profession. You are writing doctor, this is the profession, and engineer. For telling about the profession of the person, we can use a and after that to say about the person, which type of person or thing is. He is a boy. We are telling here about the person. Which type of boy is? He is a boy. Telling about something. It is a pen. Understand? So I hope that you are understanding it clearly. All these. We also use the before a singular noun to make general statement about animals or things. We can say that we can use the before animals or things which will indicate about the whole race. The cow gives milk. Here you are getting the cow means singular, but we are using here the cow singular, but one cow will indicate about the ratios of all cows. All the cows gives milk. We can say that from a singular sentence you can get it. Understand? The rose is a beautiful flower. The rose is a beautiful flower. Not a one rose. All the roses are beautiful. All the roses are beautiful. By using a rose, the rose, one rose, we can indicate, we can say about all the roses are beautiful. Understand? So here we will use the in this way by indicating about the races of animals and things. इसी जाति का बोध कराने के लिए. Understand? We can also use the before adjectives. The rich person we are writing here, but without a noun. We can use the before adjective when there will be no noun. So no need of noun. Before adjective we can use the when there will be no noun after adjective. The rich, the unemployed, understand? The poor. It will indicate about all the races. The poor in the sense that all the poor. Understand? Suppose that I am writing a sentence. We must help the blind. It means that blind means all the blinds, not only one blind. Understand? And if I will write here, we must help the blind person, it means that we are talking about a particular person. Understand? So before adjective we can use the to tell about the race, उनकी कैटेगरी को बताने के लिए, उनके जाति को बताने के लिए. Understand? Before the names of musical instrument, we can use the before the name of musical instruments. Violin, the flute, the drum. So you have understood, I hope that. So recapitulate whatever we have read in this chapter. We can use a and with singular countable noun, a with consonant sound and with vowel sound and with vowel sound. Understand? If in a sentence the word has come first time, we will use a, after that a and if it will be repeated we will use the. Understand? After that, before superlative degree we can use the, in a sense of singular one we can use a and we can use the before indicating about the races of animals and things. Understand? We can also use the before adjectives without noun, and we can use the before musical instrument. So I hope that you have understood. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you.